Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, it's Jessica here, and I'm so excited to take you on an Ibiza beach walk tour with me. Ibiza is such an amazing and legendary destination, and an absolute must for every party lover. I just can't wait for you to see Ibiza as we travel through its paradisaical beaches. Please don't forget to like and comment what you think about the video to let me know. On this tour, we're gonna explore everything that makes Ibiza so fantastic: its beaches, the crystal clear water, and the stunning nearby cliffs. We're starting our tour off at North Beach, one of the biggest and busiest public beaches inside the bay with its white and golden hued umbrellas. There's so much to discover. Continuing on our tour, we'll make a stop at Escavalet, one of the most artistic and wild beaches in the area because of its traditional attributes and colorful sunsets. There's something peculiarly characteristic and captivating about this place. Next, I want to make sure to show you one of the most special places on the island, called Boo. Its natural environment and unique rock formations coupled with the breathtaking views make it stand out from others in the area. Breathe in the Mediterranean dream and join me on this travel experience through Ibiza Island. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!